Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club, and look right here by Members Mark. We have a portable gas pizza oven for outdoor use only for $200. But honestly, I want like a firewood burning one, you know, a stone pizza oven.
I think that'd be great.
I want to be expensive. But that's kind of cool, right?
Fancy living, yeah.
Nautica beach chair, $39.98. It is a 5-position one, up to 300 pounds, and $14.98, so 15. I'm just gonna round that. If you are going swimming with the children, they have like a dinosaur one, multicolored. Is that like a shark? Oh, look at this, like T-Rex, right? Kind of funny. Okay, this is something to hold on to, maybe for Christmas or grandparents' house, like leave it at their house. $9.98. They're only $10. You have a fire station and the castle. And it looks like maybe this went down in price. $350, a 4 to 6 person from $400. So it's like $50 off on their instant savings. If you want to do some kayaking, adult one is $200 here, and they just have the red one. All the camping chairs are down here. Let's see, the love seat chair is $70. You get like 2 cup holders on the side. Weight is 600. Hey, you have your dog, your best friend in the world, sitting right next to you. And this one is the portable rocking chair, $470. The weight is 375. Here's what it looks like. And the swinging one, which you know you can find the same one kind of like in Costco, $49.98. The weight here is 300. And we just have your armchair. This is $22. Let's see, weight 325. Very similar to Costco, but I want to say the Costco one offered a little more. Let's see, $20, and it's a 2-piece. And again, going walking, hiking, you know, it's monsoon season. It's going to start up in the summertime, and our winter has been lasting a long time, and I love it. I'm not ready for the summer. $18.98 here, you guys. We have all family care on this one, and you get a travel one. And next to me is $15.98. The deep woods, some mosquitoes, ticks, biting flies, and gnats. Which reminds me, I gotta get the dog. Do not put this on your dog. You know, you gotta take care of your dog in the summertime. And these are $14.98. Okay, these are cool. These are by Body Glove. Body Glove. I'm trying to find a price for them. I don't see one. Oh, they're $59.98. Wow. Okay, you do get padded backpack straps, removable cooler tote, cup holder. So you do get a tote with it. Okay, we have baby bottle pop. Every now and then you can find this in here, but you will get 20 for $4.91, 20 for $4.91. Again, you're doing something big, family, for Easter. That is not bad right here. $4.91 for 20. Then we have push pop. You get 24 for $14.68. Next to me we have a Lucas. This is going to be $9.38, and you get 30. So just a few new candies added. Oh, this is really cool on the baby bottle pop, I think. 200 for $17.24. It looks like Sour Patch, tropical. You got watermelon kids in here. So the Cadbury mini eggs are $13.78, and these are selling out fast. There's only 2 left in my location. Chocolate cashews, a doubled a dip. They're $9.98. Nanas, a 2-pound, $6.78. And I want to say this is like my favorite chip. If I was to buy a tortilla chip, I love the Nanas, and I love their hot sauce. So for Lay's, they have the cheesy garlic limited time flavor, and that is $4.48. I'm not sure if I've seen this one, but today they have the Fruity Pebble for $6.98. Arizona Diamondbacks, these are $28. So they have it in white. It is spring training. The snake one, they do have coyotes. Don't get me started on the coyotes. No idea why they need a whole nother stadium. I mean, come on. Okay, Calvin Klein. These are like a simple hoodie. It says CK in the corner for $17.98. They do have the jogger, and the joggers are going to be $18. They're just like no string or anything, but yeah, $18. They come in multiple. And $17.98. We had the 14-inch. They're called Cutopia, pretty much. Look at the Hulk. He's still angry. Spider-Man, R2-D2, and the child. Come on, Disney. Stop putting out child merch. It's like kind of annoying now. It's like everywhere it goes. The child. The child. So it looks like they have some new liquor in today. We have pineapple mango for $10.98 by Truly. Flavored vodka. So in a different location, you guys, of Sam's Club, they always give samples. The other day was Don Julio, and usually they do Fireball, right? It's kind of funny because you have to like put your name and your date. And $49.98. This one's new. King of the Bootleggers, and next to me is going to be $18.98. And then 21 at 28 Kentucky Straight, and $38.98. $17.98 here for the brandy. Okay, Truly Punch is $19.46. So we have fruit punch, berry punch, tropical, and citrus. And $18.46 we have strawberry classic, mango chili, and watermelon cucumber. And Topo Chico here, the margarita, is $18.46. Strawberry, regular margarita, tropical pineapple, and prickly pear. Mike's is $18.46. And what do we get in here? It looks like mango, strawberry, and pineapple. And the margarita one is $18.46. On top is $18.46 as well. And Truly lemonade is $18.46. And $17.96. We have blood orange, mango, and spicy grapefruit. Blue moon, a light sky, $18.46. You get 12 in here. Tropical wheat, citrus over here, $18.46. Hey, look what they have here. These are $49.98. Okay, these are kind of cute. They're $50 for women's $5.74 New Balance sneaker. And you guys, they also have it in white. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in the Sam's Club. But more instant savings right here for the Dove. You will get 4. $13.48 and $16.98 for Dove. Leaves no white marks. Don't you hate that, putting on your shirt? And this one is $15.98. Degree is in here. $5 off when you buy any 2 Old Spice. Mainly Swagger. A Dove for men on top, $16.58.